Hello everyone, we are associated engineers. So today we'll be connecting the iRAYPLE code reader. So I have my iRAYPLE code reader here in the box, and I'll need some accessories like its power cable, its communication cable, the SMPS to power it on, some tools like stripper and screwdriver, and I also have a sensors from SICK for the trigger, and I have a demo plate for the barcode readers etched with laser marking as well as dot-peen codes. So we have different variants of codes that we have. So without further ado, let's begin with our unboxing, and let me show you how to connect the code reader and how to configure it. So this is our barcode reader completely in the box. As you can see, it is from iRAYPLE. What we'll do, we'll just unbox it. Within the carton, you will find a plastic packaging within which the code reader is there safely and secured. It will also have a warranty card which you can claim if there is a manufacturing defect, but let's hope we don't need it. Apart from that, you will also get the mounting screws inside the box itself. You will get 4 screws along with spring washers that will keep it tightly connected to your mounting. So let's just remove it and focus on . So this is the barcode reader that we are talking about. Here at Associated Engineers, we maintain the same state in which we receive it, and this is the packaging. It is tightly secured, it will not move. So when it goes into transport, you can be rest assured that the barcode reader will stay safe inside the box only. Let's unbox it. So as I remove the code reader from the plastic box, I have this ESD-safe cover which makes it safe to use in electrostatic environment. So as I remove the code reader, you can see this is the code reader. This is the R5016 series with the red LEDs. It is having a trigger button and a tuning button on the top. There are 3 indicators, one for power, one for link status, and other for the operating status. Let's have a look at the build quality first, and then we'll go into the connection of the code reader.